So, hello everyone, myself Kavita Hire. Today we'll see the gas turbine power plant. So, we'll see first what exactly the gas turbine power plant is. It is the generating station where the gas turbine is used as a prime mover, where the gas turbine is generate the mechanical energy and it will given to the generator, where generator will convert this mechanical energy to the electrical energy, and the fuel is used in this gas turbine power plant is maybe the natural gas, natural oil, or pulverized coal, you can say. So this is how the gas turbine power plant is. Now we'll see how exactly the working of the gas turbine power plant is there, or working principle of the gas turbine power plant is. This power plant will consist of three main components like compressor, combustion chamber, and the turbine, that is gas turbine. In compressor, what happens? The natural air is taken into the compressor, where the compressor will compresses that air. That is, the temperature and pressure of that air is increased, and this pressurized air, it will get given to this combustion chamber. Okay, in this combustion chamber, the fuel is injected into this, and that fuel is burned in presence of the air. It will get mixed, that hot air or pressurized air, it will get mixed with this fuel, and togetherly it will get burned, and burning of this fuel, that is combustion of this fuel, it produces some hot gases, and that hot gases is given to this turbine, where the turbine is utilized that hot gases to rotate the blades of the turbine, and rotation of the turbine will produce the mechanical energy. And as this turbine and the generator are connected on the same shaft, so that mechanical energy which is produced by the turbine is given to the generator, where generator will convert this mechanical energy to the electrical energy, and it will used for the further purpose. So this is how the working principle of this gas turbine power plant is there. It consists of the three main components: compressor, combustion chamber, and turbine. In compressor, the air is get compressed, and it will get given to the combustion chamber, where that air is burned in presence of the fuel. It will get mixed, and combustion will produce the hot gases. Then that hot gases is given to the turbine, where turbine will get rotate, and that mechanical energy is given to the generator, where generator will convert that mechanical energy to the electrical energy. So this is how the gas turbine plant it looks like. As the diagram shows, it consists of the three main components, that is the air compressor, combustion chamber, and turbine. Three main components are there, three main parts are there for the gas turbine power plant. In case of the compressor, in compressor, the natural air is sucked or pumped into the compressor, where the temperature and pressure of this air, it will get increased, and this pressurized air, it is given to the combustion chamber, where the fuel intake is there. In the combustion chamber, fuel is entered into the combustion chamber, and it will get mixed with this hot air. You can see here the fuel is entered into the combustion chamber, and this hot air from the compressor is also entered into the combustion chamber, where the fuel will get burned, that is combustion of the fuel will get happen in the combustion chamber. It will produce the hot gases, and this is how the hot gases are given to the turbine. So these are the blades of the turbine. These hot gases are used to rotate the blades of the turbine, then this turbine will produce the mechanical energy. As this same shaft is connected to the generator, this mechanical energy is given to the generator, and generator will convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So these are the main working of the gas turbine power plant, and three main components of the gas turbine power plant are air compressor, combustion chamber and turbine, it is gas turbine. Now this working of the gas turbine power plant, it will classified into two types: open cycle type gas turbine and closed cycle type gas turbine. So this is the diagram for open cycle type gas turbine power plant. So you can see here the main components of the open cycle type gas power plants are starting motor, compressor, combustion chamber, gas turbine, heat exchanger and alternator. So as you have seen here, starting motor, compressor, combustion chamber, gas turbine, then exhaust system and the alternator. These are the main components of the open cycle gas turbine. Now we'll see how this working will happen of the gas turbine power plant in open cycle. So starting motor, it is used to start the compressor. As the compressor is not self-starting, the motor will start first, the compressor will get start. As soon as the compressor will get start, there is no need of this starting motor, then we can remove this starting motor. Then compressor will get start, it will take the natural air into the compressor where the temperature and pressure of the compressor is air is increased. Then this pressurized air, it will given to the combustion chamber where the mixture of the fuel and combustion chamber will get burned, produces these hot gases. Then it is given to the gas turbine, then gas turbine will get rotate, and this mechanical energy, as you can see, this same shaft, on this same shaft the gas turbine and the alternators are connected. Then gas turbine produce the mechanical energy which is given to the alternator, and alternator will convert the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. But what happens in case of the open cycle turbine? Some of the exhaust gases which are produced in this gas turbine equipment, so that exhaust gases at very low pressure are given out directly through the open atmosphere through this chimney. It will not get recirculated, it is directly given to the open atmosphere. So it is called as open cycle turbine. It will not get recirculated. While in case of the closed cycle turbine, what happens? All the equipments, all the components of the closed cycle are same. It will consist of starting motor, compressor, heat exchanger, gas turbine, then another heat exchanger is there, and then alternator. So this is the diagram of closed cycle type turbine. It having the same working of these all equipment, like a compressor will take the air, then pressurized air is produced in the compressor, then this pressurized air is given to the heat exchanger where the heat exchanger is worked as a combustion chamber. Then the hot gases which is produced from the gasifier, it is given to the heat exchanger. Then this produce some hot gases, it is given to the gas turbine, and above and rest of the working is same like open cycle. Gas turbine produce mechanical energy and given to the alternator, but the exhaust gases which is produced from this gas turbine, it is recirculated through this compressor, through this heat exchanger. That hot exhaust gases is given to the heat exchanger where the heat of the exhaust gases, it will get reduced and it will get condenses using this cooling circuit, where cooling circuit consists of condenser, then cooling tower. Cooling tower will connected to the steady supply of the water. It will taking the water from the natural sources. Then this hot gases through the heat exchanger, this is given to the cooling tower, where that is cooled and again given to the condenser, and through the pump it will cold water is again given to the heat exchanger. So this cold water is circulated through this heat exchanger and that exhaust gases will get cooled, and that cooled exhaust gases is given to the compressor through this pump. So the cycle is closed here. The exhaust gases is not directly thrown out into the atmosphere. Instead of that, it will recirculated in the circuit. That's why the name is closed cycle type gas turbine. So understood the difference between open cycle and closed cycle. In open cycle, the exhaust gases is directly thrown out in the atmosphere, and in closed cycle, exhaust gases are recirculated in the circuit again. So this is how we have seen the gas turbine power plant is work. I hope you understood how the working of the gas turbine power plant is and how the open cycle and closed cycle gas turbine power plant is work. So thank you. Happy learning. To watch more video, please do like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel.